ever feel tired at work before the week even starts? You wake up and you already feel drained. Not because you didn't sleep, but you know already how the day is going to go. Same job, same stress, same routine, same feeling like nothing's actually changing. And people will say, just be grateful for the job that you have. But deep down inside of you, you know you're not meant to just survive. Because let's be honest, a lot of people have tried things online before. And when it didn't work, it wasn't just frustrating. It made everything else feel fake. Too many promises, too many gurus, too many things that actually doesn't make sense. So now, even if something can work, you don't trust it. And that doubt, that's what keeps people stuck the longest. I remember thinking maybe this online business thing just isn't for normal people. Like, if you don't have tech savvy, if you don't have experience, or even if you don't have time, then where do you even start? Because everything I saw felt overcomplicated and honestly overwhelming. There was a moment where something shifted for me. Not some big breakthrough, just a different question. Instead of asking, how do I make money online? I started asking, what actually makes sense for someone like me? No experience, no tech background, and absolutely no time to waste. And that question changed everything for me. Because maybe it's not that you're failing. Maybe it's because what you're trying to build was never meant for you in the first place. Too complicated, too many moving parts, too much guessing. What started making sense for me was following something that was actually structured. Something simple enough to actually stick to. Something that didn't make me feel overwhelmed even before I started. Now listen, I'm not saying everything started to become easy. It didn't. But for the first time in my life, it felt clear. Like I could actually see myself doing this. Not in a hypey way, but in a, okay, this makes sense kind of a way. So, I'm not here trying to convince you because I know exactly what skepticism feels like. But if something in this video felt a little too real, like it sounded like exactly where you are now, then my friend, just comment blueprint. I'll show you exactly what I started following, and you can decide for yourself if it makes sense.